if you're working in Xcode and suddenly you have this error which says umbrella header UnityFramework.h not found, here's how you fix it. So you have to go to one moment. You have to go to targets right here and select Unity Framework. Right on this bar you have to select build phases, which is very important, and then you have to find these divisions like public, private and project, and probably you will have this file UnityFramework.h right here in the project, and you have to move it right there to public, just how I did it. Not only that, you have to move it here to public, but not to the if you put it right like here in the bottom, it might still not work because I moved it somewhere here and the error still was happening while building, and I had to put it higher because it's important which one after which one. So I've put it right here on the third spot, and this was enough and this error disappeared. So I hope this helps you also, because this problem really took hours to fix. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe to my channel.